Hello friends, so that's how looks auto tensioner from Honda crf250 from 2015. Of course, not the best screwdriver, but you have a bolt. I think you should. I'm not sure you can see inside. If you turn, you can see how it's turning as well. And if you hold, example, fail. Let's do again. If you put screwdriver and you turn, you can see how it's getting inside. And if, for example, you hold, and that's how your chain is gonna hold as well. Auto tension is mean like when you release, it's getting auto look. But if this one is getting weak, you have a knocking sound. You can get manual tension as well. That's very possible. But this one. So what I think, how you can avoid like auto should be like I think you should screw out. In this case, yeah, put everything back in like this. You can hold and put back in the engine, and then tidy up the bolts, and of course you can release it anyway, but then you can turn back yourself, because if you turn back all the way, this one is quite holding quite strong, so maybe this way gonna be better. You can try and find out. I will let you know in comments below if this works or not. Of course you can change to a manual tensioner. You have bolts, usually have bolt here. You're just spinning the bolt and that's it. But this one is like called auto, and I have knocking sound. From that reason, maybe it's very possible this one could be worn out. Okay, thank you for watching. And this one, by the way, I pull out from here. You can see it's a chain there. That's it.